ability to choose anything which gives happiness. It's important in today's world to have that sense of aliveness. So freedom is everything. So yes. I beg your pardon? Independence Day. Well, hi, this is Kaina Arora, and I would love to wish all the viewers very, very happy Independence Day. Love you all. You know, I don't sound like one of those actresses. I don't know about politics right now. So right now I'm here for the jewelry thing. So let's talk about that. I'm the wrong choice again. I think Miss Mayur there will give the answer to that. Cut. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
Yes, hello everybody. On the crowd today is very formal attire because everyone has like gowns and everything. This is it's all about the craft. Well, I love it. I think it's really comfortable and I love the fact. I think maybe I'm trying to ape the West a little bit. But I saw one of these Hollywood actresses wear a suit, and I just think it's such a lovely thing to wear. You know, it's comfortable. And I envy men because you all can wear pants all the time. So it's really nice to wear a suit for a change.
Helena, are you happy the way
Of course. I mean, why wouldn't I be happy? I think it's lovely that there are so many actors. Today Sonam was nice enough to put a video for us. So it's really lovely that they're supporting our film, and it's making me very nervous because expectations are really high. And it's been about a year and a half since Happy Ending, so fingers crossed. I hope you guys watch it, and I hope you guys like it.
And so recently you visited Kapil Sharma.
Ji.
About this, how was it?
It was lots of fun. You're gonna see it soon. So let me know what you think. I hope you find it funny.
एलिना फिल्म को लेकर जैसे बात हो रही है कि फिल्म काफ़ी इतना प्रमोट नहीं किया जा रहा है। अच्छा मुंबई में जब ट्रेलर
अभी बात हुई कि बहुत प्रमोशन हो रही है, मुझे कैसे लग रहा
स्टार
है?
प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं
फिर
जहाँ दूसरे स्टार्स प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं आप उनकी बात करें।
देखो मैं अभी प्रमोशन से आई, सुबह से लेके मतलब यहाँ तक, कभी इनको पता है वो हमारे साथ ही थे फोटोग्राफर्स। मेरे हिसाब से तो काफ़ी प्रमोशन हो रही है। आई थिंक बैलेंस होनी चाहिए, यू शुडंट गो ओवरबोर्ड, इट शुड बी क्वालिटी एज अपोज टू क्वांटिटी, एंड आई थिंक अक्षय इज एन एक्सपर्ट व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्रमोटिंग हिज फिल्म, सो आई मीन आई एम अ न्यूकमर, so I'm just going behind him. You're waiting to say something. You change your glasses today. Tell me. Chupa I thought it was so funny. I couldn't understand what he was doing initially, but it was so funny. And then again, I mean, that's Ranveer Singh for you. He's someone you can expect the unexpected from. So I think he's amazing.
Independence Day is coming. I want to ask, what is the meaning of freedom?
Tricky. There's a lot. Someone said
person. There's a lot of meanings. For me, I would think the true meaning of freedom would be for me to be able to say things, and not just me, anybody, to be able to say things without offending people. Like, be respectful. But, लोगों को थोड़ा सा broad mind होना चाहिए. Just try and accept things and try not to spread so much hate. Because कभी-कभी क्या होता है, you say something just out of being honest, and then people take it the wrong way, they offend each other. So try not to take it too personally, and just people should be free to say what they want in a respectful manner. So that's what I think.
Would you like to wish your audience?
Absolutely. I would like to wish everybody a very, very, very happy Independence Day. And I don't want to send a lot of messages across, but all I'd like to say is just please spread love and not hate. That's my own. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Yeah.
Smiling for your left side, please. Left side, left side.
मैम एकदम सामने मैम भैया
I'm wearing Gauri America's outfit. It's a beautiful dress, and I'm wearing my personal collection. Yeah, so I think diamond is a girl's best friend, so you can see some diamonds here. ज्वेलरी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होती है आई थिंक हर लड़की की लाइफ में बिकॉज बहुत सारे ओकेजन्स मार्क करती है व्हेन यू गेट मैरिड तब आपको ज्वेलरी मिलती है सो आई थिंक या व्हेन आई गॉट मैरिड माय पेरेंट्स गिफ्टेड मी अ ब्यूटीफुल नेकलेस एंड बहुत सेंटिमेंटल वैल्यू होल्ड करता है So I was here to judge the masterworks of the various jewelers at the Retail Jeweler India Award, and the display was awesome. जो jewelry थी, I mean, it was just amazing and extremely difficult to judge. And yeah, today are the awards, so I want to wish them all the best and keep growing and keep giving us such stunning designs year after year.
There are T-series launched for music. Recently, they have launched a single Pyar Manga. It's getting mixed reviews from the audiences. People are also talking it as semi-horror. So, what is your take on it? Because T-series has always produced and given beautiful music. For the first time, I think you're getting a review like this semi-horror.
I think सब कुछ टीवी पे जाने से पहले सेंसर होता है एंड फॉर्चुनेटली और अनफॉर्चुनेटली इंटरनेट के लिए देयर इज नो सेंसरशिप सो इंटरनेट पे तो बहुत कुछ अवेलेबल होता है सो it's up to a person to judge it, it's up to the audience to judge it, but we just cater to the demand, and जो demand होती है market में we cater to it, and we're a company that provides entertainment to the audience, and of course TV के लिए censorship है, so all those shots will be removed. I'll do my announcement जब मेरी स्क्रिप्ट फाइनल हो जाएगी अभी स्क्रिप्ट भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है सो आई हैव नॉट हैड एनी कास्टिंग
दिव्या आशिकी के बारे में कुछ फाइनलाइज हुआ
अभी कुछ नहीं आई थिंक इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा डिफाइन किया कि यूर इंडिपेंडेंट वुमेन और इंडिपेंडेंस डे आ रहा है आई थिंक हर वुमेन इंडिपेंडेंट होनी चाहिए इंडिया में बिकॉज बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है विमेन के लिए अपने पैरों पे खड़ा होना और क्रिएटिव होना और इंडिपेंडेंट होना, और इसके लिए आई थिंक इट्स इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर men to support them, whether you're a father or you're a husband, you should support your daughters, your wives, your sisters, and yes, that's true independence for women. So let me celebrate this Independence Day, giving credit to those men who provide us with so much of independence and allow us to live our dreams.
Thank you.